Headstock Art is done on this one. This one I did not paint, but gutted it, added all new electronics. I was going to keep this one. These are Artec and VR pickups. It is a really nice Ibanez bridge. And this is, of course, I got a black whammy bar. I did paint the pick guard. I painted that and customized that to be black. But it's all new guts, all new electronics, including a kill switch down here. So it's done to a wiring system of my own doing. And of course we have this new 5-way switch in here with the silver cap matching the silver knobs. I was going to keep this one and I named it Raven. But it can be named something else as there will be someone else owning it. Anyway, we're going to give it a test run. I wanted to show that this little Strat, Ibanez Strat mostly, and then of course all the parts that I replaced and gutted and it's completely rewired, has a pretty good acoustic sound for a Stratocaster. And in part from these pickups, I kind of lowered this middle pickup and then I used this lipstick on the neck. It's made by Artec. Here we go. We'll start with the one on the neck, with and without a pick. Sometimes I play without a pick because I just like to do things differently. But anyway, here we go. With the pick. Granted, this is a heavy pick. So now these two. Now we'll just do the middle one. This will sound a little softer. And though it's not a locking tremolo or anything like that, it does actually hold in tune okay. I've got all 5 springs on right now. Maybe you can adjust that if you want. I actually don't play with a whammy too much, but it is fun. But we'll just do a little test with it. Back at the neck. Now, switching positions, the two of them again. And now, just the middle. Just the middle by itself. A little harder that time. I did put mineral oil in the nut. It's a pretty high-end plastic nut, or it might even be a graphite nut. It was an Ibanez neck. Doesn't feel like an Ibanez neck. Kind of feels like a Strat. Then we'll we'll test it. So it's just a pretty nice acoustic sound. It's just a little practice amp. And it's staying in tune. Here is a quick pickup test. I wanted this guitar to be kind of diverse. The tones you get up here will be much softer, and it's a lipstick pickup if you see. The Headstock recently did that bit of art and painted it. So we have a lipstick here, a middle one that I set kind of low. Again, that goes for a softer, more acoustic sound. But this can be a very heavy sounding guitar if it wants to be, with this rail, dual rail. Humbucker at the bridge. Let's go ahead and try. Same riff. I'll be using a pick. A lot of times I play without a pick, but I will for consistency of this demonstration. So, just a little bit of distortion on it. It's up about halfway, maybe a little more. Showing you the diversity was the more important part. So this one and this one. Now we'll go to the middle one. Again, set kind of low. It's meant to be kind of mellow. Same stroke. Okay, now the middle one in this. Now, just the lipstick pickup. And this one, it sounds, the neck pickup is very throaty. It's got kind of a lot of bass, darkness to it. Maybe you do some adjustments if you want it a little brighter than that. It's just what I was thinking when I wired this guitar. I wanted it to go from it can sound real heavy and hard rock to going to some pretty soft tones, like when you start getting right into same amount of distortion. And I have it on the bridge setting now to test this humbucker. Just show you, I'm just pushing it a little bit. I got a Boss Super Overdrive, great little pedal, and I'm not really pushing it that hard. The distortion's not even close to up to halfway. Then I got the pedal pushing it a little. So it gets pretty heavy again. I said I wasn't really even pushing it. Just to show you that it has a diversity of sound. And not sure if I was playing that Rat song right either.